If you are using AdBlock or similar software to block advertisements, remember that you are a thief and you are contributing to destroy internet. Thanks, enjoy your video.
Please listen carefully.
What's up, lazy people? Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare delicious and very fast scrambled eggs using your microwave. For this recipe we need 1 egg, Parmesan cheese, milk, butter and salt. Hey guys, what about my Donald Duck mug? Pretty cool, huh? I love it! Okay, let's start. Whisk an egg into a very cool mug. Now add some spoons of milk and some spoons of Parmesan cheese. Now stir all together and add a pinch of salt. Stir again and add a knob of butter. Cool! Now we are ready for the microwave. We need to cook egg 3 minutes, max power, and stir this every minute. The first minute! Stir! Cool. The second minute. Stir. Cool. Third minute. Ready. Fantastic. It's perfectly cooked. Now buttered bread, scrambled egg on top, and maybe some bacon slice. For bacon slices in microwave, here you are a very cool hack. Enjoy! What's up, lazy people? Today a little hack instead of a real recipe. I'm gonna show you how to make a crispy bacon using your microwave with no smell and no smoke. For this recipe you need just bacon slices. Okay, put 2 paper towels on a plate and arrange bacon slice on a paper towels. Now cover your bacon with the paper towels more and cover all using a dish. Cool! Now we need just to cook bacon in our microwave. Guys, of course, if your bacon is undercooked after the time, you have to cook it some minutes more. Be careful when you remove the dish. It is very hot. Cool, our bacon is perfectly cooked. It is very crispy. Enjoy! If you like this video, please click like and share it. Don't forget, for new recipes in microwave, subscribe the channel.